Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 7A, parent posed obstacles, discussing the text for the discussion 7B essay, 120 points, 1,000 words. So what are parent posed obstacles? What do we mean by that? We mean obstacles to student success that parents pose for their children. So let's survey this assignment. We have an image from the New York Times. That relates to one of our articles, the father with his arm around his daughter coming out of the tiger, and you'll find out what this metaphorical image means as you read the article by Ryan Park, which is listed right down here, The Last of the Tiger Parents. Okay, so what do we have below the metaphorical image? We have 5 links. We have due dates, requirements, the discussion rubric, the overview, and the assignment purpose. I will be clicking on the due dates link with you in this video, but I'm going to ask you to click on requirements, the discussion rubric, the overview, and the assignment purpose on your own. Okay, so scrolling down, what do we have? We have a part 1 to this assignment, and we have a part 2. We have a works cited with Ryan Park's article, The Last of the Tiger Parents, and with Theodore S. Ransaw's article, Cool Papa's 6 Fathers in Michigan Who Utilize Play in Their Fathering Involvement to Help Their Children Learn. And we also have the Nation's Report Card 2015, the National Assessment of Educational Progress 2018. And you are familiar with this source, and we will be exploring it again. Scrolling down, we have help here with quoting, and it is here as you will be quoting in this discussion. Okay, so scrolling up, I'm going to read part 1 with you. Read the 2 articles in the works cited at the end of this screen. 2 in the Nation's Report Card and the works cited. Review the reading and math academic success rates of high school seniors. Focus on the success rates by racial breakdown and highlight information and statistics that may support what the writers contend in their articles. And of course, you previously reviewed these figures in discussion 3, which was our data discussion. Number 3, then write 750 words, 4 pages, in which you share your thoughts, ideas, and feelings about the articles and statistics. Part 2, respond to 2 peers' work, writing a minimum of 125 words for each evaluation, for a total of 250 words, 1 page. How should you respond? Compare your peers' thoughts, feelings, and ideas about the text with your own. Okay, so again, here is our works cited, and here is help with quoting. Okay, I'm scrolling back up to the top of the assignment. I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox if you have any questions or concerns. You need my help. And I'm going to click on syllabus and then on instructor and course information and show you the various ways to reach me. And please remember, I can be reached through Skype during office hours. Okay, so I'm scrolling back up. I'm clicking on the back arrow and the back arrow again to get us back into discussion 7A. All right, remember I'm here, and let's have a great week.